Finally, Latercase delivered. No fault to their own. USPS postal service a little slow over the last week or so after Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Well, you know, I'm sure some of you have had delays in your packages recently. But finally, here is an actual bona fide iPhone 12 Pro Cyber Edition. Whoa. Yeah, I looked at YouTube and found almost no reviews on this particular case. I know Lou kind of highlighted it briefly in some of his videos, but yeah, there's no been unboxing. There's been older models of the Latercase for 11s and whatnot, but here's the actual case that arrived this morning in the mail. So yeah, we'll see if we can get some highlights on this as we open up and take a closer look. So let's do that right now. Of course, one-handed is never a good idea, so give me a sec. There, that's better. So anyway, yeah, as you can see, similar to what Lou had in hand in his videos. Simple, elegant packaging. No magnetic closure there. Ooh, 100% DuPont Kevlar. Yes. Oh, they even give you a little sample there. You peel that out and do something with it. Either way, here's the case. I'm really curious. Just kind of just sitting there, not really being held down by anything, just kind of like, I think, yeah, so it just kind of just pops out. So the cushion there, you know, little logo branding. But yeah, here's a case, little detail on that. 6-hole cutout there. A little bit of branding on the inside per previous models. Weave in and out with the Kevlar, 100% DuPont Kevlar. And so when I look at it, when I get a little feel for it, when I first pulled it out, just a little rough right about here, a little bit of edge popping out right there. Maybe the buffers or the molding guys didn't get to it. The rest, the edge, pretty smooth. But yeah, overall, simple case. I'm curious to see how the inside here makes contact with the phone and the camera setup. I'm taking a closer look here. Let's see here. See a little, I don't know if it's a blemish right here. Yeah, it's a little, and it's a little rough there if you can see. Right there, a little dot just below that left-hand corner of the cutout. So again, you know, when you mass produce these sorts of things, I imagine you can have a little bit of niggles here and there, like the rough edge here at the bottom and a little bit of blemish near the cutouts. But overall, it looks like, you know, your typical Latercase. It's nice and light, it's nice and bendy. You can bend it around, feels nothing really in the hand. It's feather light. So when I get back, we'll have it put on the actual phone and give you another walkthrough on the video. But here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Latercase iPhone 12 Pro packaging, courtesy of Lou and Company. But again, I was just amazed that there was no other videos showing the packaging and the unboxing, no close up. Besides loot, of course, but yeah, here you go. Nice close up. Looks great, except for those little niggles here and there with the cutout, and then down here at the bottom with the little rough spots. But nothing, maybe a little bit of light sandpapering might straighten out, but we'll be back. Thank you.